Welcome back to Mr. J's Workshop. Today we're working on Project 701 and I just wanted to give you an update. We mounted the horizontal stabilator and I told Hank Morgan he's building a 701, they call it Angel, and he asked me to do a video, so I'm going to show you the steps I took in order to mount this. So the very first thing I did, follow along. Well, need my level. Everything's sitting on the ground now, but I had it jacked up and all. But the first thing you do is you level the top of the cage here in one direction, and then level it in the other direction. And right now it's a little off, but I used a shorter level here to just sit on the pipe and not on the rivets. Once you got that level, let's go to the back. Let me see if I can get a good shot back here. All right, we go back to the horizontal tail, and we level it in the same directions. And on mine, I left the elevator on there just to see that it was going to clear everything before I actually drill any mounting holes. So the elevator's connected, but it's just to make sure that I have clearance on the rudder and I have clearance on the elevator. But the truth of the matter is, there's going to be a lot of trimming, or some trimming, in order to get the right pitch on the elevator and the right degrees on the rudder. Next step, let me see if I can find a better spot. That looks good. So the next step was getting the horizontal stabilator aligned with the fuselage. So I measured the tip of the horizontal stabilator. Well, what I'm trying to do is that I measure from the tip to the wing mount and make each side the same distance. And that took me a couple times, even though I'm not having success doing it now by myself. But that was a good part of it. And then you have to go back and check the top of the cage, go back, check the top of the horizontal stabilator in both directions. And you may have to do this, quite a few times until everything's just perfect or the way you like it. The other thing I noticed from going to Oshkosh and Sun and Fun, I have a collection of photos of the horizontal stabilator mounted on the plane. And I've noticed in the majority of the photos that this rivet line is pretty much lined up with the mounting bolts. So that's a good indication where the horizontal stabilator should be. Things you should know, the fuselage tapers. And because it tapers, if you push this too far forward, it will bend the mounting plates in. So get it up there, find a nice snug place that's not flexing your mounting plates, and you should be pretty close. Drilled my first hole, bolted it. I checked everything again. Went to the other side, drilled a hole, bolted it. I went back and checked everything again, and that's just me. And I did that for all 4 screws. But it came out good. It came out good. I'm happy with it. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, just comment below. And that's all I have. If you like the video, give us a like. Please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Have a great day.